The direction was that, my lord, the petitioner will submit one representation before the respondent number 5 in the petition, who is the contempt hearing, and that will be considered. From the contempt petition, it appears that, my lord, no representation has been submitted. The petitioner has only intimated the commissioner, who is the contempt here, about the court's order only.
My lord will kindly page number 10 of the
Para 6
petition. Para 6.
Yes.
In the event the petitioner submits a representation, the same should be examined and decided by the respondent number 4. Now, my lord, the respondent number 4 in the instant case is the Commissioner of Taxes.
Where is the representation?
And the representation is at page number 12, my lord. 6th April 2022, which has duly been received by the office.
My lord, subject to correction, it appears, my lord, this is the communication of the court's order to the contempt
Yes,
hearing.
my lord, this is
There
the
will have to be a
representation.
representation which will have to be considered with detailed facts of
My
our
lord,
service.
it was directed to be submitted along with the copy of the certified copy of order and writ petition, and which has duly been communicated for your kind and necessary action as per the order of the court. So a speaking order ought to have been passed by today, because in para 6 of the order, it clearly mentions
May I know your name, madam? You are?
Priya Agarwal, my lord.
Yeah. We will fix it for final hearing in the month of January 2024. This is one option. Or file a representation, we'll ask them to comply with.
That's in my humble.
All right.
This is the representation.
I'm rejecting that submission. And I'm closing the contempt case.
With file
This is
fresh
not a representation. What is he going to examine? You said that court has passed this order saying this. What is he going to do? What is your claim? He has to decide.
Yes, my lord. That is categorically mentioned in para 5 of the order, my lord.
Forget the order. Where is your representation projecting your case?
That has been quoted, my lord. Para 5 is the case.
All right, Miss P. Agarwal, Learned Counsel for the
week's time
petitioner
maybe.
is no, just now you said, then let me pass an order.
My lord,
If you are arguing, then I'll pass an order. You are entitled to argue.
my lord, in my humble submission,
Why are
I
you
should do
complicating
justice.
things? Just file a representation and
My
let
lord,
him.
I'll file again a fresh representation, but I may be given a week's time, because in this particular I'm not arguing on that point, my lord, but just a submission that in the representation I have quoted that this was the claim and this was to be
No,
examined.
that is not the order of the court. He has been asked to take a decision on your claim,
Yes,
not on the question of how good the court's order is.
my lord, and a previous
What is he going to decide on the court order?
not on the
Is
court order,
he
my
required to
lord.
pass an opinion on the court order?
Not on the court
Then
order, my
opinion
lord.
on what?
Yes, my lord, that is what I'm trying to
He is
point out,
required
my
to
lord.
pass an opinion on what?
My lord, that is the only thing which I humbly want to bring to your lordship's attention. That is in para 5, it is written the question of whether
All right,
the
we'll examine this matter in due course then. Heard Ms. P. Agarwal, Learned Counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent, who submits that till date no representation has been submitted by the petitioner as per the court order, and therefore there was no scope for the sole respondent to consider his case. First of all, in view of the above, Mr. Gogoi submits that there is no violation of the order of this court. Ms. Agarwal, however, submits that whatever was submitted, whatever was placed before the sole respondent on 6/4/2022 is the representation, and since the court order as well as the writ petition was also placed before the authority, there is no question of submitting any further representation. The aforesaid aspect of the matter would require deeper examination, since a proceeding for contempt of court can be drawn up only if there is a willful, full stop. A proceeding for contempt of court can be drawn up against the respondent only if there is a willful and deliberate violation of the court order, and not when the stand taken by the respondent viewed from one angle is found to be acceptable. Full stop. It would now be open for the petitioner to convince this court that the only view possible in the matter would be to presume that there has been a willful and deliberate violation of the court order. First stop. On the request of Ms. Agarwal, let this matter be listed for hearing in due course. But this is shocking. The way you are destroying your client's interest, Ms. Agarwal, for your personal ego.
No, my lord.
This is shocking. You could have just submitted a representation and asked them to comply.